What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to share your location with someone on your iPhone, and specifically this is going to be through iMessage. Now basically what this allows you to do is you could easily just send a pinpoint location to anyone that you want in your contacts, or anybody that you have their number for that matter. You could just send them your location and then they could go to that exact spot and will find you right there, or at least find your iPhone. So what you're going to do is head over to the person that you want to do this to in iMessage, click on their name in the top screen there, and then the one all the way to the right is going to be the info tab. You're going to click on that. And then you can see the top two options there on that drop down menu is going to be send my current location and share my location. Send my current location is just a quick and easy way to just send it right to them. And then share current location is kind of an alternate step, because obviously it's easy to just send them your current location, but let's say you want to meet at a restaurant or something, or you want to meet like a pickup spot, then you could send it to it and drag the pinpoint wherever you want to. So it's kind of an alternate way where basically it says that that's your location, but it could be really not. And that way it's just a preventive measure for Apple, for people don't hunting people for stuff like that. That's pretty much all there is to it though. On their end, they're going to be able to just click on the map and then be able to see your pinpoint. If you did have any questions though on how it worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.